Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete your Baddie Pass in under 1 month, which I did in less than a month. Actually, I did it in 23-ish days. Not in total. I probably did, like 4 hours a day, so it's not really like a whole 23 days, but as you can see, if I go to Baddie Pass, it's done, and you'll have about 38 days to complete this. So what I did was I did go to farming servers. I didn't play this game for that long because I can't. I have 2 jobs and I can't play this game just to get these items, obviously used auto clicker. And basically what I did, I just left it. I played on my phone and played games and just waited for the XPs. And another thing you can do is obviously do the daily task. Oh my gosh, I can't show it to you guys because it's not available in free play or VIP servers. But basically, you'll need to finish daily tasks. There's a new XP bonus if you play Style Showdown now. If you actually win it, you'll get 500 XPs, which is a lot. But I learned that you get around 360 XPs if you win first place too in the regular server. And Style Showdown does take longer, but actually per round you do get 100 XPs from just completing a round. So you can do that too. And I finally unlocked the Ariana Grande Met Gala dress and I'm super stoked. So yeah, that is basically how you can quickly finish your Baddie Pass. Honestly, just leave your laptop PC on. It does take super long. I don't know what to do if you're on the phone. I mean, I guess you just have to play. Again, I left it on for 4 hours per day. That's around how many hours you want to leave it on for. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. 2 times XPs are also coming out this weekend. I'm not sure, but it's coming out. I think it's already out actually. That's why I got 360 XP. So make sure you play Just Impress now on just the normal servers. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.